Hello world, welcome back to our channel. So today we are at the Perth's most prettiest spot, the iconic bell tower. So we were just exploring the bell tower for time being. We have actually ordered couple package, lock package, romance package Sidu Nalu, where we pay extra bucks and we get a lock.
Especially for the lock.
Especially for the lock, yeah.
Lock. How Korea version?
Namsan Tower.
Replica.
Similar to that, yeah. Namsan Tower naro ko. Rang couple they hang nearby, yeah. So like that. Here in the bell tower also there is that thing. So me and my husband we ordered a lock before we entered the tower. So now we are going back to get our lock and then seal the love on the chain. Let's go check it out. Hello. Yeah.
Here we go, guys. So just a reminder that once it is locked, it's locked forever. So make sure you're happy with the placement and don't lock it early, okay?
Okay,
Thank you.
Have a great one.
Thank you. Please be careful when opening your love lock. Once it's locked forever.
Wow, look at that. You see here? This is the sign that you should visit here if you really wanted to seal your love. Where should we place our lock? Oh my gosh. There's a lot. Now we are going to open the envelope and I'm already excited to see what's inside. Though we know what we have written. Actually we have written the note and then given to the counter section. So, but still then I'm very excited. You excited?
Yeah, of course.
Alright, yes. You ready? You ready to see? You ready to see? 1, 2, 3. Yes. So Palden is my husband, Ugan is me, this beautiful girl here. And then, so 18/2/2021 is the day we met. Not exactly met, but the day we started dating. So yep. So now we are going to lock our love forever. Let's go. Maybe that side. I think this is the best spot, right?
So that you
Yeah. Oh, recently. Oh, see here, 2024, recently. Here? Okay. Huh? No, not like this. It should be this way. Okay?
Yeah,
1, 2, 3, go. All right, locked.
Only with you, the world feels right. You turn my days into golden light. Through the shadows, through the blue, everything's better. Only with you.
Welcome to level 2 viewing gallery. Wow, look at that. Oh, it looks so amazing. The Buddhist temple. Asian bells. Oh my gosh. You see that? It's moving.
Still walking. 27 to 27.
I've been wanting to ride on that horse for a long time, and finally I'm riding. Coming, yeah. So we do.
The most dangerous art called sword swallowing. This is a real 20-meter sword. At the end of my show, this thing is going to go inside my body. Are you okay? Are you sure? Everybody clap for Chloe! She's alive! Wow! I'm alive too! Yay! Thank you, Dr. Shun, Dr. Bell.
Yeah, there.
Of course.
Nice show.
Hello guys. We are here at the tteokbokki restaurant located in the middle of Perth city. So right now we are waiting for our food, and meanwhile we ordered one milkies. Cheers. Cheers. Wow, look at this. We ordered one spicy beef soup and one plate of tteokbokki, and then vegetable dumplings. These are the complimentary side dishes and one extra rice here. We get one rice with this two and then extra rice. Shimmy, baby. Hmm?
That's hot lang.
Kimchi.